Good afternoon, clients, and welcome back to my channel. So this will be our last project tour for today here in Acacia Estates, and the project is called Maple Place. Let's go inside and have a look. So this is our entrance gate. Once again, I'd like to stress the fact na isa to sa pinaka maganda sa DMCI projects is yung security. Ayan. 24-hour security. Hi. So the Maple Place is actually a 1.23 hectare development with 3 towers. Ayan. Let's check out first the basement parking. Ito yung ating basement parking. It has 1 level basement parking, and ang architectural theme nito is boutique hotel. Ayan. So just like the other projects that I've already shown you, the parking spaces in all DMCI projects are very spacious. Even if big cars, SUVs, or trucks will fit in very easily. So we won't have a problem with DMCI's parking spaces. The first tower na na-complete dito sa Maple Place is the Linden Tower, which is on the right side. Ayan. That tower was completed January of 2019. That's the Linden Tower. And then, as you can see, yan ang ating mga landscape gardens. This is the drop-off for your deliveries. Let's continue the tour over here. And then this is the second tower here in Maple Place. It is called the Aspen Tower. And this tower was completed last April 2019. Dito rin sa tower na to makikita ang ating reception/lounge area. So let's go and check this out. Oh, di ba? Very nice lobby, very nice reception. Hotel feel nga talaga yung pag-welcome sa atin dito sa Maple Place. On this side is where you'll have the entertainment room. And we also have the fitness gym. Okay, let's go down to the basement. Okay, dito naman sa basement 1 level ng Aspen Tower is where you'll see the other commercial establishments. Like over here is the convenience store. And of course, we also have the property management office. All right, and the convenience store. And the water station as well is on this side. And the laundry station, nandito naman sa kabilang dulo. Okay, that's your property management office. And this is the laundry station. There you go. Okay, let's go up again and check the last tower here in Maple Place. Diba? Very spacious pa rin talaga yung lobby. It has a different feel. That is generally the same as the other DMCI projects that I've already shown you. And this is the last and also a memorable tower for me, the Spruce Tower. This was completed last September of 2019, and I was able to sell a resale unit dito sa tower na to, so that's why it's very memorable for me. Kasi isa rin to sa projects na hindi ko na inabutan when I started with DMCI. Wala na agad inventory yung time na pumasok ako. So since we're already here in the Spruce Tower, might as well we can check also the atrium garden floor. Yung nasa ground floor din, same as what I've shown you in the other projects. This is only to verify na talagang lahat ng projects namin ay may garden sa ground floor. Ayan. A spacious hallway is a DMCI trademark. Diba? This is our atrium garden floor. Okay, now let's have a look at the amenities here in Maple Place. Now, because of the fact that it is not actually that big compared to the other projects here in Acacia Estates, na kadalasan 3+ hectares ang size. The size of this development is only 1.23 hectare. But, there's a but, ang nagustuhan ko sa project na to is its exclusivity. Bakit? Because there are only 375 units altogether here in Maple Place. So here, once again, we have the kiddie playground. Meron pa rin tayong grilling pits and the picnic area. We still have the gazebos and cabana and the swimming pools. Ayan, may dalawa pa rin tayong swimming pool dito. We have the lap pool and the kiddie pool. Diba? It's a good sized swimming pool. That's our lap pool. And on the other side, kiddie pool with a slide. Not all projects will have a slide, so that's a good plus. So that concludes our tour for today here at Maple Place in Acacia Estates, Taguig. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so for you to see more videos of DMCI projects in the future. Now, here in Acacia Estates, just like what I've told you earlier for the previous videos like Ivorywood and Mulberry Place, all the other 9 projects that are already constructed here are all sold out. So the only chance for you to have a unit inside Acacia Estates Taguig is to purchase a unit in Alder Residences, and that is the only pre-selling and the only project with available units dito sa Acacia Estates. So imagine, ganun kabilis maubos yung mga projects namin dito sa Acacia. Now for Alder Residences, some of the upgrades na in-apply sa Alder is that it is the project that has the biggest average size 2-bedroom unit, and that's approximately 68 square meters. Because ang mga 2-bedroom sa Alder starts at 64.5 up to 71.5 square meters. And there are 4 towers in a 2.86 hectare development sa Alder. Those are Andea, and turnover is on June 2024. We also have Manzuria, September 2024, and Oregon, March of 2025, and lastly Sylvan. This tower has only been launched last week, and that is for turnover by March of 2025. So if you would like to be a part of this great community inside Acacia Estates with more than 150 hectares of development, please contact me for more information on Alder Residences. But for this month of February 2022, we have a great promo available for clients who will be reserving a unit across all of DMCI's projects, but particularly Alder Residences, you'll be given 3% discount for unit reservations. That's approximately mga 150,000 pesos discount. And for the payment terms, ang ginawa ni DMCI, 15% has been divided into 3 payment categories. 3% for the first year, 4% for the second year, and then 8% until turnover. So the advantage of that is your amortizations will not be that high, especially for the first 2 years. So for 2-bedroom units of Alder Residences, which starts at 7.4 million, your approximate amortization for the first year is about 16,000 pesos, and 24,000 pesos for the second year. So currently, 3-bedroom units are all sold out in Alder Residences. So imagine, naubos na siya kaagad because most of the buyers getting units there are also the buyers living here in Acacia Estates. So once again, if you're looking at purchasing a property here in Alder Residences or any DMCI projects, please don't forget to contact me. My name is Mike Lim, Sales Manager for DMCI Homes, and thank you very much once again for watching.